Good morning, dear children. Nice to have you back. So last week we were doing division by two-digit numbers. Okay? But before that, let me ask you some simple questions on your multiplication tables. I hope you have been learning it. Okay? Let's check. 7 9s are fast. 63. Good. Some of you did it. But some of you are doing 7 9s 7. 7 is that's too slow. You've got plenty of time to learn, so you can do it faster. Okay, ready? 5 9s are 45. 8 8s are 64. Very good. Some of you did it so quickly. 9 9s are 81. So we are going to do divisions based on two-digit numbers. Here we have done just like last week, 4-digit. But now we will start with 5-digit. We did with small numbers, not till 13 times 10. So now today we are going to build that up. So are you ready? And I'm going to teach you a simple trick also. Okay? For faster calculation. Are you ready? Okay. So remember, in your books, your margin should be there and your rough book. You must have a rough book because you need to do multiply. You have learned only up to 9 times table. So you cannot do 27 times table. You don't know 27 times table, 35 times table, 16 times table. So that can be done in your rough column. Okay? So let's start. 16. Will 16 go into 6? No. Will it? No. It's going to be too small. So we have to use 2 digits. 67. Now 67 is bigger than 16, so 16 should go to 67 and it will leave a remainder. Now this simple trick is here. Now in the previous classes we used to multiply how many times? 4, 5, 16, 1s are 16, 2s are 16, 3s are still 16, 9s are. Now I'm going to teach you a simple trick where you will find your answers by multiplying 2 times or 3 times. Okay? And I'm going to use this trick in all the sums that I do so that you will be aware and you will learn this simple trick. So are you ready? Okay. So 16 goes into 67 how many times? So we move to the rough work column. Let's see. 1 is going to 6 how many times? 6 times. So let's not multiply by 6. Let's count one number down. 6, before 6, 5. Let's multiply that by 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5, plus 3, 8. That's too much, no? So let's do another one. Let's come down. 64 are 4 6 are 24, 4 1s are 4, 5 6. 64, 67. So by multiplying twice, we got our answer so quickly. See? So if you learn this simple trick, you will save time and you will do your divisions faster. So 16 goes into 67 how many times? 4 times. You ought to write the answer above 7. So 64. 3, 0. Bring down 2. 16 goes into 32 how many times? 1 goes into 3 how many times? 3 times. So let's not do 3. Come one number down. 2. 16 2s are 2 6 are 12. 2 1 are 2 3. Wow, we got our answer in 1. By doing it, by multiplying it once only we got our answer. So 16 2s are 32. 32 is here. 16 2s are 32. 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0, bring down 8. Now we have brought this number down, so we have to do the calculation. We just cannot leave it like this, otherwise the sum will be wrong. So 16 goes into 8 how many times? 16 1s are 16. So we cannot put that. So below what? 0. 16 zeros are 0 and remainder 8. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Let's move on to a 5-digit dividend. So it is the same thing. There's no difference. Okay, so we look at 3, look at, this is 35, 46. 3 will go into 4 how many times? Once. 35 ones are 35. But just to make sure, let us do it 2 times. 35 2s are 17. So 17 is a very big number, so we shouldn't put it here. So how many times will it go? 35? Good. Ones are 35. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. Bring down 7. How much we have here? 70? 7 or 170? Good. It is 170. Now let's do that trick again. Just look at this verse number 3. Now 3, 1 is too small, so we take 2 digits. 3 will go into 11 how many times? 3? 3s are 9. So let's multiply 3 times. 35, 3s are 3 5s are 50, 3 6 are 9, 10. We've got 105. Now let's do it once more to make sure. Each time that you do your multiplication, make sure that it passes this 170. Okay? So 3 times is 105. Let's do it 4 times. 4 5s are 20. 4 to the 12, 13, 14. See, we got our answer by multiplying it only twice. Otherwise, you will have to multiply 9 times, 8 times, 7 times, 6 times. That will take a long time. A lot of time to finish your sums. If you use this simple trick, you can do it faster. So how many times? 3 times. 105. 7 minus 5, 2, 1 minus 0, 1 and 0. Bring down 8. The same thing, our calculations, we have already done our calculations. 3 is 105, 4 is 140. So we already got our answer. So 35 goes into 120 how many times? 4 or 3 times? 3 times. Good. 105. 8 minus 5, 3. 2 minus 0, 2, 0. And bring down 3. So 233. Let's try that trick again. Only look at 3. And only look at 2 and the next number. Okay? 3 is bigger than 2, so we have to take 2 digits. 3, 23. 3 goes into 23 how many times? 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. We cannot take 8 because it's bigger number, so 3 7s. So let's count one number. 7, 6. Okay. 35, 6s. 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 80, 90, 20, 21, 210. We got our answer, but to be sure, I told you to multiply again so that we cross this 233. Let's do it. So how many times? 7 times. 75 are 35, 7 3s are 21, plus 3, 24. See, we got our answer here. So how many times does 35 go into 233? 6 times. Good. So 35 6 are 210. 3 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 0. So if we divide this number by 35, we get the answer 1336. Leaving a remainder of 23. So make sure, children, to use a simple trick for faster calculation, you just have to multiply twice. Okay? Otherwise, you'll be wasting time multiplying 8, 9, 7, 6 around. So let's do some more sums. Are you ready? Okay, let's have a 4-digit number. Divided by 50. Does 50 go into 2? No. So we have to take 2 digits. Now we have a 23 here, which is smaller than the divisor. So what should we do? Problem? No? No problem. We must take 3 digits now. How many digits? 3 digits. We must use the first 3 digits. So now look at this first number, and here we look at the 2 digits. 5 will go into 23 how many times? 4 times. Very good. So let's multiply by 4. 50 4s are 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20. Wow, we got our answer here. But to be sure, let's do it 5 times. 5 0 0, 5 5s are 25. So see, by multiplying it twice, we got our answer. Was it easy? Yes. If you follow this trick, you can do your calculations faster. So 15 4s are. We have used all 3 of these numbers. So when you write the answer, write it on top of third, on top of 4. 15 4s are 200. 4 minus 0, 4, 3 minus 0, 3, 2 minus 2, 0. Bring down 7. Now how much is here? 47? No. 347? Yes. So we have 347. Again use that trick. 5 is bigger than 3, so we have to use 2 digits, 34. 5 will go into 34 how many times? 5, 6. Okay, let's multiply with 6. 50, 6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30. Wow. We got our answer, but to be sure, we will multiply it once more so that we cross this number. 50, 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35. So we got our answer 356 are 300. 7 and 4. See, we do this so quickly. Okay? I hope you understood. So one more sum now. 2, 6, 8, 5, 9. Let's use a big number. Divided by 65. Okay? Let's start. 165 over 2? It's too less. Now let's take 2 numbers. 26 is smaller than 65. So we cannot use that number. Now we have to use how many digits? 3. Good. So all 3 digits. Now let's use that trick. 6 will go into 26 how many times? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. That's going to be too much. So 106 4s are. So 65 4s are. 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 25, 26. Now to make sure, to be sure of our answer, let's multiply once more by 5. 5 5 are 25. 5 6 are 30, 31, 32. That number is big. So which number will go? 260. How many times? 4 times. 260. 8, 0, 0. Bring down 9. No. Bring down the next number. 5. Now 6 will go into 8 how many times? 1. It doesn't go 2 times. 6 2s are 12. So 6 1s are 6. So 65 will go into 85 how many times? 1 time. 65 1s are 65. 5 minus 5 0, 8 minus 6 2. Bring down 9. How much do we have here? 209. So again, let's use that trick. Take this first number from the divisor 6 and from the dividend 20. 6 goes in 20 how many times? 3 times. So let's multiply this 65 by 3 times. 65 3 times. 3 6 are 80. 3 5s are 50. 3 6 are 80 plus 1 19. Okay? Let's be sure. Let's do it by 4 times. 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 25, 26. We have already done that here, but I have done it again. So let's do it. So how many times? 4 times or 3 times? Good. 3 times. 195. 9 minus 5, 4. 0 minus 9. What should we do? Borrow. Because the top number is smaller. So borrow from here. Do not forget to borrow when the top number is smaller. 10 minus 9, 1 and 0. So this is how you do it. Now later on, children, you will be getting a self-assessment test. Now when we did it before, when you were told to write the answer, most of the answers, or some of you were 0, some of you were 2, though the answer was right, but that was due to a technical mistake. So what I've done this time is, you are to divide in your exercise. First, copy all the sums from the video, from the self-assessment test, into your maths exercise book. Do it there. Do all 5 sums there, and then open your videos or self-assessment test and choose the correct option. Choose A, choose B, or choose C. That way, if your answer right, all your sums will get right. So let's try one example. Ready? 4, 7, 8. Let's put a 9 in. 3 divided by 87. Okay? This is what you do. Copy the question from the self-assessment test. So let's try that simple trick again. It's type of a magic trick, no? So 8 will go into 9 how many times? Once. So 8 ones. So 87 will go into 94 how many times? 1 time. 87 ones are 87. Don't forget to borrow. 14 minus 7, 7. 8 minus 8, 0. Bring down 7. We have 77 here now. What should we do? It's a less number than the divisor. So what should we do? We have to multiply, or there's some other way of doing it, but let's not do it that way because most of it get mixed up. Let's do this simple way. When you bring down a number, you have to try and divide it. So 87 will go to 77 how many times? It cannot go 1 time because it will become bigger. So zeros are 0. 7, 7, bring down 8. Okay? So we've got 778. Let's use that trick again. 8 is bigger than 7, so we use 2 digits. 8 will go into 77 how many times? 8 9s are 72. So let's bring one number now. Let's not use 9, let's use 8. So 87 8s are 88 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64 plus 5 69. But to be sure, let's use 87. Yeah, 9 times. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72 plus 6 78. Okay. Now we've got the 783. We've got the 770. Can we put that big number here? No. So by multiplying it once only, we got our answer. Magic, no? It's not magic. Just use your common sense. So 87 going 770 how many times? 8 times. 696. 8 minus 6, 2. 7 minus 9. Some of you are saying 2. It's not 2. What must you do? Borrow. Okay. 70 minus 9, 8 and 0. Bring down 3. So we have here 823. Okay? So 8 will go into 800 times 1. But over here when you multiply with 9, you got this answer. The answer is all written here. Remember that 2 digits should never come here. It should never be 87 tens and this. The numbers always stop at 9. The last number you must multiply is by 9. So no use doing 10. So 87 9s are 783. 0, borrow, 4, 0. Okay? Simple, no? Remember to use this trick. Then you get your options A, B, C. 3 answers have been written. This answer also has been written. Quotient 1089, remainder 40. So 3 answers will be given. And you check your exercise book and tick or press the A, B or C. So children, we have learned a new trick today, okay? So that you can do faster calculations just by using what I do. So if you haven't understood that trick of doing faster calculation, go back to the video, see that video again, and then you will understand. Okay children? So today we learned how to divide big numbers. Wasn't it easy? It's easy, yes or no? But you need to do a lot of practice. And it becomes easy when you learn your, multiplication tables. So, do your work, don't give trouble to your parents, stay safe and stay home. So, bye.